through the silence and the rest. I heard every word you said, echoing in my mind. Don't ever pretend to be sad, unapologetically I find. Through the end, don't bother standing in my way. Leaving my name, leaving my worlds apart today. The earth is crying out for the sons and daughters. Let them in by the turbulence of the waters. Was it not true? You struck the water with the rod. Approach the altar, finding grace in the facade. You thankful for what you got through the struggle and the fire. Strike the rock and create the flames that lift us ever higher. They don't give a damn what we say. So let them put our hands in chains, we'll find our way. The earth is crying out for the sons and daughters. Let them in by the turbulence of the waters. In the dark we'll light the way. Together we'll rise to climb one may. With every step we'll break these chains. Unapologetic hearts will dance in the rain. To the end, don't bother standing in my way. Leaving my name, leaving my worlds apart today. The earth is crying out for the sons and daughters. Let them in by the turbulence of the waters. In the dark we'll light the way. Together we'll rise, come one day. With every step we'll break these chains. Unapologetic hearts will dance in the rain. To the rain, to the end, don't bother standing.